Hi, good morning children. My name is Jayasree KGBV Veeragattam. Today we discuss the topic about solar system. Important points in this lesson. First one, celestial bodies. Second one, consultation. Third one, the solar system. Fourth one, planets. Fifth one, the earth. Sixth one, satellites. Seventh one, moon. Eighth one, man-made satellites. Ninth one, asteroids. 10, meteoroids. 11, comets. 12, galaxy. 13, universe. This is called as the solar system. First one, celestial bodies. The moon, the earth, all objects shining in the night sky. The other bodies like earth, etc. are called celestial bodies. Some celestial bodies are very big and hot. They are made of gases. The celestial bodies are called stars. Next one, constellation. Meaning of constellation, pattern of stars. Ursa Major and Big Bear is one such constellation. One of the most recognizable constellation is Saptarshi. It is the group of 7 stars. Next one, the solar system. Where does the earth gets heat and light from? The sun that gives the earth heat and light. The sun is closest star to the earth. Not only the earth, but also the 7 body planets. The 7 other planets move around the sun. The sun, the 8 planets, satellites, some other celestial bodies are known as asteroids and meteoroids from the solar system. We often call it a solar family with the sun as its head. The sun is the center of the solar system. Each member of the solar system, each member of the around the solar system, the surface temperature of the sun is around 6000 degrees Celsius. The sun is the 150 millions away from the earth. 150 millions away from the earth. Next one, planets. How many planets in our solar system? Answer is 8 planets. Answer is 8 planets. 8 planets. According to their distance from the sun. Order of the planet are: first one Mercury, second one Venus, third one Earth, fourth one Mars, fifth one Jupiter, sixth one Saturn, seventh one Uranus, eighth one Neptune. All 8 planets. First one Mercury, second one Venus, third one Earth, fourth one Mars, fifth one Jupiter, sixth one Saturn, seventh one Uranus, eighth one Neptune. Eighth one Neptune. This picture is solar system. First one Mercury, second one Venus, third one Earth, fourth one Mars, fifth one Jupiter, sixth one Saturn, seventh one Uranus, Neptune. Totally 8 planets. All the 8 planets around the solar system move the sun in fixed paths. Paths are elongated. They are called orbits. The 4 planets nearer the sun. The 4 planets nearer the sun are called inner planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are called inner planets. Jupiter is a biggest planet. Mercury is a smallest planet. Next one, the Earth. The Earth, home planet, is the third nearest planet to the sun. In size, it is 5th largest planet. The Earth, only one natural satellite, is the moon. Next, it is the 3,84,400 kilometers away from the Earth. It is a blue planet. Next, the only natural of the Earth. The only natural of the satellite of the Earth is the moon. That is the moon. It is called blue planet. It is the most suitable planet to support about the universe. it has four most components that we call as the realms of the earth. Four natural realms. First one, lithosphere. Second one, hydrosphere. Third one, atmosphere. Fourth one, biosphere. First one, lithosphere. Second one, hydrosphere. Third one, atmosphere. Fourth one, biosphere. First one, lithosphere. Meaning of lithosphere. The lithosphere, land on which we live. ఇది బాహ్య పొర, పై పొర. Next one, hydrosphere. The hydrosphere is consists of water body, rivers, oceans, lakes, tanks, etc. Third one, atmosphere. The atmosphere is layer of air that surrounds atmosphere. Different types of make up gases. Next one, biosphere. Meaning of biosphere, all living things existing on the land, and in the air, in the water, known as called biosphere. Next one, celestial satellites. Celestial bodies that move around the sun. Mercury and Venus do not have any satellites. Next one, moon. Moon. Our earth has only one natural satellite. It is moon. It is moon about 3,84,400 kilometers away from us. The moon moves around the earth in 27 days. In about 27 days. Next one, man-made satellites. Next one, man-made satellites. Next one, man-made satellites. Meaning of man-made satellites, it is an artificial body. It is designed by scientists or gather information about the universe. The earth of communication. Some Indian satellites in space are EdgeSat, IRS, InSat, etc. Next one, asteroids. Next one, asteroids. Irregularly shaped rocks between Mars and Jupiter. Between Mars and Jupiter. There are found between the orbits Mars and Jupiter. Next one, meteoroids. The small pieces of rocky and metallic bodies move around the sun are called meteoroids. Next one, comets. Next one, comets. A comet is a celestial object made up of head and టెయిల్. ఈ హెలి తోకచుక్కలు అనేవి 76 ఇయర్స్కి ఒకసారి భూమికి దగ్గరగా వస్తుంటాయి. 1986లో ఒకసారి వచ్చింది, మరలా 2061లో వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ గెలాక్సీ. మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ గెలాక్సీ, ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఏ క్లస్టర్ ఆఫ్ మిలియన్స్ ఆఫ్ స్టార్స్. దీన్నే ఆకాశగంగని పాలపుంతని పిలుస్తాము. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ యూనివర్స్. దేర్ ఆర్ మిలియన్స్ ఆఫ్ గెలాక్సీస్ that make the universe. Meaning of universe, there are millions of galaxies that make the universe. Next one, I give you one question. Write answer in your notebook. మీరు నోట్బుక్లో రాసుకొని తీసుకొస్తారు. హోంవర్క్. వై ఈజ్ ద నాట్ పాసిబుల్ ఆన్ ఆల్ ప్లానెట్స్? అన్ని గ్రహాల మీద జీవం అనేది సాధ్యం కాదు, ఎందుకు? కరెక్ట్గా ఆన్సర్ రాసి తీసుకొస్తారు మీ నోట్బుక్స్లో. థ్యాంక్ యూ టు ఆల్.
Thank you.